a short video on my CNC pendant. 4 years ago I made a CNC machine, and there are plenty of pendants around, but I decided to build one myself. That's much more fun. So this is it. It's intended for Mach3. I wanted the buttons that I wanted to use. It's entirely made on the CNC machine itself. Top and bottom 2mm aluminum. The side, the housing, MDF, milled out on the CNC, several layers glued together. And the bottom, very nice EPDM foam, also cut on the machine. I have a laser module on there, diode laser. So this is cut with a diode laser, so it fits nicely. Very nice thing. It is wired. I don't like things with batteries, and this is still the same wire as 4 years ago. It has seen some use and abuse, and still working fine. I can move around the machine, plenty of space. The keys, just in detail. The cycle start, the feet hold, stop the program. I also have a shift key, and with shift I have the red function, so I can rewind the program. I can reset the machine, reset the feed speed, select a step size, jog continuously or in steps, select X, Y or Z, the probe 0, that activates a macro in the software to detect the 0 probe. I can set the selected axis to 0 or all to 0, go to 0 position, and then X, Y and Z, and feed, increment and decrement. And then of course rotary encoder for fine positioning. The PC, I usually only used it for to load the software, and that's about it. Everything else I can do on the keys up here. Real nice keys, some LEDs in it. The only thing that's not good about these keys is that the LEDs have a short lifespan. So I brought these in for some winter maintenance, and in the past I already replaced them with the LEDs, and now I replaced the remaining of them. Very easy to do. You can pop off the cap, and then you can pull out the LED. It's in a small bracket, small plastic bracket. There's a small resistor in there. You can just switch it over to the new LED. You can buy 50 or 100 LEDs for a few euros, so it's easy to change. So that's the basic. All the designs, the drawings, the software are on my GitHub page. So inside is Arduino Pro Micro. That's one of the Arduinos that can emulate a keyboard, which is very interesting. So it just emulates a keyboard and sends the keystrokes that are needed to Mach3. And Mach3, I added a few buttons here for some activity that was not on the screen or not available on the screen. So that's the good thing about Mach3. It's, it's old and outdated, but still a lot of people like it and use it. And you can customize the dashboards. So what I did, I added the macro for the Z position, and also some jog functions here that I needed for my keys. So like I said, everything is on my GitHub page. I will add a little clip of the machine in action.